Today we're going to make a timeline using Keynote. We're going to tap on the Keynote app, which is the blue one on the top in the Creativity folder. This is the project that we will be making. You will learn to make an arrow, some lines. You're going to have 3 text boxes, and you're going to have 3 pictures. Doesn't really matter what you put in your text boxes or what pictures you use, just as long as you have at least 3 of each. So let's get started. If you're in somebody else's presentation, you're going to tap on the word presentations in the upper left corner to get back to the gallery. You're going to start a new presentation by clicking on the blank paper with the big plus sign. Now it's really important here not to pay attention to these cool pictures. You're just choosing based on the background color. I'm going to choose this one with the red background. And as you can see, it doesn't have a picture on the first slide. And we're even going to get rid of these 2 text boxes. I'm going to tap one time on the text box, tap on delete, tap one time on the text box, and tap on delete. Now we just have a blank piece of paper to work with. We're going to start adding by tapping on the plus sign on the top. We can add things from the camera roll by tapping on the music notes. We're also going to do text with the text boxes with the T, and then the square is our shapes. So we're going to start using a double arrow. You can scroll through to see what color you want, and when you find a good color, go ahead and tap on the double arrow. Now remember, when you are making shapes a different size, you want to tap one time on your shape to see the blue dots around it, and then drag the corners with one finger. A lot of people want to do the 2-finger pinching, but if you do that, all you're going to be doing is making your entire slide bigger and smaller. So just use one finger to move your shape. Now we're going to do some little straight lines up and down. So again, I'm going to go to the plus sign at the top. This time I'm just going to use this straight line right here. You could also do a square or a different shape if you wanted. Okay, I'm going to tap on the paper, just anywhere in the blank paper, to get rid of this box. And then I'm going to tap one time on that straight line so that I see my blue dots. Now I'm going to go up here to the paintbrush, and this is where I can choose a different kind of style. I'm going to go down to the bottom to Style Options, and then I'm going to use this slider bar to make it thicker. I'm just going to do it all the way. Okay, so again, I'm going to tap one time so I see my blue dots. I'm just going to move with one finger so that it's standing up straight up and down. I'm going to move it over a little bit. Now, I'm going to add 2 more. So the easiest way to do that is to copy and paste. So I'm going to tap one time to get my menu bar. I'm going to copy. Now I'm going to tap in the blank area, anywhere in the blank paper, one time, and then paste. Do that again. Just tap in the blank area and then paste. So I've got 3 events in my timeline. You can choose whatever events you want. I'm going to do when I was born, when I started kindergarten, and when I graduated from 5th grade. Okay, so now we need 3 text boxes. So again, you're going to add up on the top, and now we're going to the T. You can choose any text box you want. I'll just go ahead and choose this one. And here it is down in the middle. Remember, those blue dots is how you make it bigger. So I'm just going to move it over here. I'm going to grab the one blue dot with one finger to make it a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to double tap to type. Born. And I'm going to do what you 5th graders are probably born in either 2002 or 2003. Okay, now if I want to make that a different font or make it bigger, I need to double tap. Then I need to slide that blue dot over to select it all. Then I'm going to go up here to the paintbrush, and you've got your font and your size right here. So you can make it bigger, you can change the color if you wanted, you can go back here and change the font if you wanted. This is a good one. Alright, good. Now again, I'm going to tap one time and you can move it where you want it to go, and now you can use your pinching fingers and you can tilt it a little bit if you want to do that. Okay, now I'm going to add some pictures. I'm going to go to the plus sign, and I'm going to go here to the first one, which is the square with the music notes, to access my camera roll. Okay, so I'm just going to get a selfie here. That's good. Again, you use one finger to make it smaller, one finger to move it. If you wanted to use two fingers to tilt it, your pinching fingers, you can do that. Okay, so that's how you add text boxes and pictures. The last step is to save it with your name on it. Right up here it says presentation 3. You don't want it to say that. You want it to say your name on the top. So I'm going to go back to my presentations gallery, and down at the bottom underneath you're going to tap and type your class 5 with your teacher's name and then your name, and then you can press done. Oh, I already have that name. So if you already have that, then maybe you need to add something else like timeline. Okay, very good. Now, I only showed you how to do one text box and one picture, but really the assignment is to do 3 text boxes and 3 pictures. You can arrange them however you want. You can do pictures from the internet. You can do the Chinese animal of what you were born in. You can do the animal of our school. You can do a graduation hat. You can do whatever pictures you think are appropriate to finish the assignment. Then the very last step is to email. Remember to email. You're going up to the square with the arrow, send a copy, mail, PDF, you wait, tap in the to box, type the first letter of your teacher's name. I'll just put my name in here for now. And then you have to make sure that your name is down here in the subject line. That's why we named it first. And then you can send it. Good luck. I know this is a difficult project, but you can do it. It's a lot of fun.